Here is a ceiling fan I have been looking for many years. This is the HomeTrends 93639 30-inch Hugger ceiling fan. And this was the very first ceiling fan I ever had in my bedroom. This isn't the same instance, but this is the same model. It came from the Walmart, which of course is the HomeTrends brand, and it cost $19.96, and that would have been probably in the late 90s. There's a date on here anywhere. Let's see, 5/7/2000. I don't know how long these were sold for, probably at least a couple years. Seems like a lot of collectors ended up with these in the beginning. I remember it pretty well, actually. I do remember it. I remember it being pretty powerful too, which is surprising because it's a very cheap, probably poorly made fan. There's a caution. The fan must be installed with blades at least 7 feet from the floor. 6 rainbow colors, 6 blades, single light kits included. Light bulbs not included. An incandescent light bulb will go in there. Reversible 3-speed motor, 10-year warranty. A fan style D, I don't know what that means. Convenient reversing switch. I'm not really sure what's convenient about it. Still came with a 10-year warranty, which is pretty impressive for a product that costs $19. On the top of the box it has a room sizing guide. 60 square feet, what is that, like 7.5 by 7.5? That may be similar to the size of the room it was first in, but then the second room it was in was a 12 by 12, and that's when it kind of stopped being very productive. Well, anyway, so that's it. I'm not going to open it up in this video. I'll open it up and hang it in another video, but just wanted to show that because it's pretty cool. I've been looking for one of these for a very long time. This year I found a number of fans that I was looking for, especially a lot of the ones from the 2001 Hampton Bay catalog.